back to my channel. My name is Maya. If this is your very first time here, ain't even gotta say it. Y'all already know what to do. If you have not yet, make sure you hit that button below so that you are updated every time that I drop new videos. Today's look was inspired or a recreation of a look that I did on my Instagram. I posted this picture right here on my Instagram last week, or I don't know, but I posted this on my Instagram and y'all loved it. They loved it. So I said, okay, I was just gonna do like an Instagram tutorial, but ended up not liking that video. So I went ahead and refilmed and recreated the whole look for Instagram and for YouTube, you know. So if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and hit that up so that you can see those posts and future ones as well. This is a very fall, cold weather inspired look. You know, it's kind of fancy, but it's still like I'm cozy in my sweater and I'm chilling type of feel. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, I did do a full beat for y'all. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, go ahead and keep watching. I'll see y'all at the end. Okay guys, so today I am going to be doing a orange halo eye. First thing I'm going to do is prime my eye, and today I'm going to prime it with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And I am going to keep this wet because I do want it to be wet enough to grab on to the pigment. Yeah. The palette that I'm using for this look is the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. And the first shade that I'm going to dip into is Punk. And I'm going to go ahead and put that right in my crease, and I'm going to pack that color on. And I am putting this on like a rainbow shape, I guess, right over the eye, because I am creating a halo. So that looks crazy, but trust me, I know where we're going with this. So the next color I'm gonna dip into is Baja, and that is an orange matte color, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend out Punk with Baja. So I'm essentially using this color to blend out the brown. And when doing it like this, you want to blend until you have no more time left. So I feel like this method is definitely like a reverse method of how I usually do this. But I like it. I like the gradient that it is creating. I feel like that's real seamless. And I don't know why I haven't been doing this before. I'm about to act up. So from there, I'm going to take my concealer and I'm going to create my cut crease for my halo at the top. I'm creating my halo pretty much by putting a halo type shape over the lid and then blending that out towards the bottom and making it just slightly skinnier as I work my way down. And then on the sides of those, I'm going to go in and kind of blend out those lines just to make it more of a gradient situation. Alrighty, and the first color that I'm going to go into for my halo is Ignite. And that is going to go on the outer parts of the halo. You'll see how you can just see the halo starting to come together. That's what we want. And then towards the inner corners and the outer corners, I am going to dip back into Punk and just kind of blend Ignite into that color. And then I am going to spray my detail brush. Come on, Mac. There we go. And in the middle of my halo, I'm going into Stranded, and we are going to highlight this up. And towards the top, you do kind of want to line the top of your halo with the lighter color, because you want to kind of just create like a halo effect over the entire halo area. So from there, I'm going to go into my Maybelline Eye Studio, and I'm going to line the top of my eye with the liner. I'm going to go into my mascara. The mascara I'm using today is the Caution Mascara from Hourglass. And then I'm going to put on my lashes, and these are Galore lashes. Alright, so I am going to go ahead and do a full face look for you guys. My primer today that I'm using is Cover FX Blurring Primer. And like I said in the previous video, this primer makes you very ashy. Look at all this ash. Oh my god, that's terrible. Foundation, I am using my MAC Studio Fix Fluid, which is in NC50, and I am running out of this, like I said in the last video, so excuse my application process. Don't judge me. I just ain't made it to Macy's yet. Concealer today is going to be my favorite concealer, which is ColourPop No Filter Concealer. This is in Dark 46, and this concealer has been working wonders for me, honey. And I'm going to go ahead and blend this in with my beauty blender. I told you guys in the last video, put your foundation on the butt of your beauty blender when you're blending it out. That way when you're blending out your concealer and your contour, honey, it makes it even more easier just to, you know, keep your color happening. So you just don't turn into a bright fool. contour, Fenty Beauty Match Stick, which is in Espresso. I probably need to invest in some more products or use different products. I got a lot of products, but I just don't use them, so I'm gonna just be using all the same stuff. And apparently we are making a very deep contour today. And let's just see how this works out. As y'all can see, the Beauty Blender has saved our life once again. Because a few moments ago, we were looking crazy. We just got right off the crazy bus. I'm setting with Miss Laura Mercier today. Nothing new there either. I'm gonna bronze with this MAC bronzer that has been through the fire. The glass is gone, but that's fine. We're gonna bronze with this. And this look is giving me all of the fall vibes, and I'm loving it. Okay, so before we get to the under eye, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face because I'm looking very, very dry, you know. I just like to spray before. And then for our under eye, we're gonna go back into our Born to Run palette. I am still a little dewy from my MAC Fix Plus, but it's fine. I am going to, I'm gonna dip back into Baja. I'm gonna smoke that out on the bottom, and then I'm gonna go into Punk and kind of line it more closer to the eye. And towards our inner tear ducts, we are gonna go back into Stranded, and I'm gonna bring that towards the inner part of the eye. And right next to that on the lower lid, I decided to go ahead into Ignite and kind of line that lower lid with that. Then from there, I am going to tight line the bottom of my eyelid. I'm gonna go back into my Hourglass mascara, and we're done with the eyes. For highlight today, we are going the blinding route, and that is Shayla by ColourPop in Boomin'. This highlighter is crazy. I feel like this is the reason why people love that picture I put on Instagram so much. It's because of this highlight. Another thing that people really loved about this look was the lips. I did take my Galore by ColourPop liquid lipstick. Can't even say that. Liquid lipstick, which is in Hidden Ways, and I lined my lips with that. And then I went in with Aesthetic, which is from the iluvsrahii by Dose of Colors collaboration, and I put that in the middle. And I feel like this was a good combination for this look because it makes it less orange, more like burnt, deep brown orange for my chocolate ladies, you know. I'm gonna spray my face with my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, and we're done. Alrighty loves, so this is the finished look. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video, and if you did, you know what to do. Give me a big thumbs up, comment below if you want to, hit subscribe below if you have not yet, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.